Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a really simple way how to appear offline on Steam. To appear offline on Steam is really good because if you want to play like really games like these, you know, like Mirror or something like that, and you don't want your friend to know that you're playing the game, so go to right down corner to friends and chat, and when you're right here you want to click on your TaoMan name and then just click offline. Right when you're going to click offline, you're going to be signed out to your friends in chat, and you can play whatever game you want, and no one of your friends will know what you're playing, my brother. So this is how we do it, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'm really happy to help you and provide you some feedback, guidance and stuff like that. You know how it works, and I'm just here for you. Like always, I am you know. So have a great day, everybody, and goodbye.